Most of the world is designed for people with fingernails.
We talk about what number we leave the volume on, but no one knows what the units for the volume is.
Indiana Jones has never heard the Indiana Jones theme song.
Birds grow on trees.
The first thing a bomb destroys is its own body.
Most pets have probably never met their fathers.
There are technically no eastern or western countries, as if you go east from the east you hit the west.
Luke and Chewbacca knew Yoda, but may have never discussed him.
A gust of wind can both start and stop a fire.
A significant number of human face mites have been to space.
The internet is mostly reruns.
Doppelgangers are isotopes of the same gene pool.
Using your favorite song as an alarm consistently guarantees it will become your least favorite song real quick.
Since light is an instant, your shadows and reflections are on a very small delay.
The no shoulders and no too short skirts rule at schools is not because of the boys. I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.